It is day 2 of recreational marijuana sales in Illinois, and business has not slowed down. Good evening, everyone. I'm Claire Kellett.
I'm Steve Savard. With the new laws come new concerns from police that there could be an increase in impaired driving. Ray Preston has been talking with law enforcement on both sides of the river. He's live this evening at a dispensary in Collinsville. Ray?
Well, right now, if you take a look behind me, you can see this long line of customers stretching out of the building, literally down the street. We talked with some of them earlier. They said it was about a 2-hour wait just to get inside the building. Now, talk to law enforcement. They'll tell you they're not trying to reinvent the wheel when it comes to enforcing impaired driving laws. They say they'll continue doing what they've always done, but they are aware the numbers could go up. Among the hundreds of customers in line today, we found Blakely Porterfield. He says he doesn't condone getting behind the wheel after drinking or using pot. He pretty much self-regulates.
When you're smoking so much, you can definitely tell when you hit a point to where you get really sluggish and you just know you shouldn't be driving anymore. Just kind of like with alcohol, you know your limit.
Right now, police use a breathalyzer to determine blood alcohol content. We're told there is no device or machine in widespread use that will work to determine if someone is under the influence of THC. Marijuana slows reaction times and impairs judgment. At the dispensary in Collinsville, the company has employees trying to educate those who may be novices using pot.
We're talking to folks if they try edibles, anything like that. It is go low, go slow. There's specific directions on packages so that people can get a feel for what their limit may be and understand how it's going to affect their body.
Law enforcement we spoke with say when it comes to enforcing impaired driving laws, they'll do what they've always done, running field sobriety tests using blood and urine tests.
There's going to be a little bit more work involved in making a case, and that the actions of the driver are going to be much more important. Were they weaving? Were they off the road? How were they driving? How are they acting? Are they stumbling, falling, slurred speech, those type of things?
Now, pretty much everyone we spoke with today had the same advice. They said if you're going to use an edible, smoke, or vape, don't even consider getting behind the wheel. Porterfield, that young man you heard at the beginning of that story, said simply, be a responsible adult. Reporting live from Collinsville, Ray Preston, News 4.